Yes, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. We are in fancy village, Garifuna village in St. Vincent. Right, one of the more traditional villages in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So, May, this is called Heroes Day today. And just like, not actually 19th, but they celebrate the same way we celebrate. A lot of our people don't have much traditional things going on as far as showcasing traditional thing, but so I give a little tour of what I'm seeing. You know, again we got the same type of. This is called Heroes Day. Shutaway Day in fancy St. Vincent, but typically, like how we practice, typically like how we how we celebrate, stand on the street, blast music, people stand around, drinking, having fun, eating some nice food. Right, so I hear about this day, more remotely that they're selling, so I'm gonna well, this is the center of it right here. So they're building the vibes. Building the vibes. Once again. I'm going down the hill right now, but I don't think I'm going to yet, so I don't want to slip and get hurt. I don't want to slip and get hurt. So I'm going wrong. I want to look slippery. If you don't ready, fuck right now. That's it. But I hear about this thing when they sell out of cassava. So I'm gonna get some. So away from the noise, away from the music. I'm not calling it noise, right? Away from me, see, like I said, everybody got, you know, a land by the sea. Everybody plants something, right? So I reach here again. I come for 218 here. I need 218. Yes. This is it. The more remote, right? They call it bam bam, yeah. That's it. That's it. You're not going to get invented. Let me get 2 anything, yeah? Go. Yeah, different bag, please. Yeah. I think I'm so going to have to come back 2 times. We'll have to come back 2 times. Yeah. How much is this now?
$12.
$12 people. $12 for this, see? But we don't worry about it. We have to pay for it. We don't worry about nothing. Alright, I don't get it. So once again I want to say thank you for tuning in. We are in Fantasy and Vincent.